Welcome back. I am Rajesh Jha, motivational speaker and agriculture student. In this channel, you can see about modern updated knowledge of all subjects of agriculture, traditional culture, technical education, and motivational speech, etc. In this video, we will discuss about chapter 12 of animal husbandry subject. Let's start our class. Then chapter 12 is care and management of livestock. Then our first topic is care and management of newly born calf. Let's describe about it. Care and management of calves is necessary for preventing them from high mortality in the earlier stage of life and to grow them as viable future replacement stock. Mortality in early days, 30 to 90 days, is basically due to poor feeding and management, inadequate health of calves, and worm infections. Next, care of calf at birth. First, immediately after birth, the mucus from mouth and nostrils of calf can be cleaned. Next, mother should be allowed to lick it to dry. Next, herdsman may also assist in cleaning and drying the body of calf by using a clean towel. Next, if calf lies motionless, artificial respiration may be given. And the next is feeding young calves and rearing. Feeding colostrums after birth within 1 hour to get maximum antibodies, especially in buffalo's calves for developing immunity. Biological significance of colostrum will be lost if the feeding is delayed for more than 2 hours. The calf is capable of absorbing antibodies from colostrum only for a short period of time. The prior of colostrum feeding calf be given a mixture of 250 gram buttermilk and 100 gram of mustard oil. This helps in removal meconium, first fecal material accumulated in the digestive tract before birth. Antibiotics and vitamins to colostrum should not be added. Colostrum also create acidic medium in the digestive tract which prevents diarrhea, white score, and other gastrointestinal disorders. And the next is teaching the calf to drink milk. There are two ways to teaching calf to drink milk. First is hand feeding and the second is pail feeding. Feeding whole milk. Consideration is to the next topic is feeding whole milk. Consideration is to milk following points before feeding milk. First, amount on 1/10 of the calf's body weight. Next, factors influencing amount of milk body weight, breed, growth rate, age, and health condition. Next, optimum gain day by day, half kg. Next, minimum period of whole milk feeding is 15 days. Next, care in feeding milk to calf. Temperature of milk should be as body temperature 39 degrees centigrade. Utensils are need to cleaned and sterilized and feed milk twice daily. Next is skim milk feeding, and this is a description of like this feeding and calf starter. I can say only these topics, and you have to write these descriptions also, and it is important for exam point of view. Next is feeding calf starter. Next is feeding grains. Next is feeding hay. It includes also next pasturing calves, supplying minerals, and next is fresh water for calves. It is very long, or it is long question and long marks also. Next, removal of extra teats. Next, housing of calves. Next, marking calves. Next, castration of bull calves. Next, dehorning the calves. And that's the care and management of newly born calves. The next topic is care and management of pregnant animal. Care and management of pregnant animal. And it includes first at following important points are essential for pregnant cows. At first, keep in separate stall from the other animals, liberally fed and kindly treated. Next, avoid rough handling as abusing, kicking, etc. Spoiled temperature of cows once formed is difficult to eradicate. Next, pregnant cow must not be taken for a walk to long distance. Next, it should not fragmented to or allowed to fight with other animals. Next, 15 days prior to calving, then she must be isolated and housed in calving box. Next, offer water at least twice a day for drinking and groom daily. It needs exercise. Next, calving box size Next is steaming up. Next is advantage of steaming up is increasing daily milk yield. Next, slightly lighten the period of lactation. Next, promotes memory tissue. Next, slightly increase butter fat percentage. Next, increase the body fat reserve. Next, next is feeding pregnant cow, and that is the care and management of pregnant cow or animal. The next topic is care and management of breeding bull. Breeding bull. Bull is said to be half of the herd. Therefore, the quality of future herd is depending on the quality of bull maintained. It is important that the bull maintained should receive all the necessary care to grow properly and attain maturity in an early age. The production of large amount of milk is not natural to a species, but acquired. These characteristics may last easily if not proper care management given. Next is age of separation of bull calves. Next, feeding of growing bull. Next, feeding of bull in service. Next, ringing of bull. Next, training the bull. Next, discarding of bull calf. Next, service from bull. And this is the care and management of breeding bull. The next topic is care and management of milk lactating animals. This is the care and management of milk or lactating animals. Farmers and cow are two main factors responsible for the dairy farming carried on. The entire responsibility of successful businessman in dairy farming goes to dairy farmer. Factors which are needed to proper attention in managing lactation animals are as follows. At first, daily farm supervision. Next, regularity in care. Next, exercise. Next, grooming of dairy cows. Next, dehorning. Next, trimming hooves. Next, drying of cows. Next, arrangement of cows in barns. Next, name plates. Next, control of bad habits. Next, manure disposal. And you have to write all these descriptions. And the next is bedding material. Next, flies and vectors annoyance. Next, deworming. Next, breeding the animal. Next, watering animals. And the next topic is identification of farm animal. At first, branding. It involves sharing numbers, letters, or a combination of these on the skin with a hot iron or with chemicals. Branding is most suited for king cattle, buffalo, or horse. And the calves should be branded by the time they are about a year old. Sets of branding irons are available in market. Next, second is tagging. Tags are made of light metal or strong plastic with the number of stamped on them. First proper hold can be made to animal. A hole is first punched in the upper edge of the ear as close to the head as possible. This should be far enough from it so that the tag, when it's placed, will neither to be tight on the ear or swinging free at leaving sufficient space on the tag should be on the top of the ear. And the third is ear notching. Ear notching is mostly used to mark pigs, though it can be used in the other animals too. It comprises cutting U-shaped notches at the specified places along the borders of the ears by means of hairs of the sharp scissors. And the fourth and last is tattooing. It consists of erasing outlines of the desired or letters on the skin inside ears and then incorporating a black vegetable pigment into these sponsors. Tattooing sets comprising of tattooing forceps, tattooing inks, and the series of letters and figures are available in the market. And the next topic is castration of farm animals. Castration of farm animals. Castration is defined as the destruction or removal of testes if damage a part of a spermatic cord from a male. Example: ram, bull, buck, bull. Male animals that are reserved for fattening and those are needed for breeding or mating should be castrated. And importance of castration is first to preventing breeding, next to prevent unwanted pregnancies, next to improve the safety of employees, producers and the other animals, next to reduce the taint, odor or gout smell in the meat of male animals, next to improve weight development or carcass quality. Next is method of castration. First, animals such as pig, cattle, goat, sheep, dogs can be castrated. There are two methods of castration. First, open surgical method removal or closed method. And these methods are not important for in describing farm. Then the next topic is farm books or record keeping. record ping. What is farm record or define farm record? And the answer is the basis of progresses or success in business is experience without suitable records and accurate interpretations. However, much of the value of experience is lost. According to Adams, farm record keeping as a system of records written to the furnish a history of business transaction with a special reference to its financial side. And the next is advantage of farm recording. The various advantages of farm systematic farm records are as follows. At first, means to the higher income. Next, basis for diagnosis and planning. Next, way to improve managerial ability of the farm. Next, basis for credit acquisition and management. Fifth, guide to better home management. Sixth, basis of conducting research in agriculture economics and production economics. Basis for governmental policies. And the next is types of farm records. Because of the diversity of farm situation, not all records will be equal or used on all farms. What kind of records to be keep will depends upon the what information farmer wishes to have. There are many different types of farm records, each of the which can be adopted for a given purpose on the particular farm situation. There are no hard and fast rules for preparation of farm or performance for farm records. They vary with purpose, system of farming, level of understanding, and capacity of farmers. The main characteristics of the good farm records are: at first, simple and easy to understand. Next, suitable forms of recording the types of information the farms wants to record. Next, provision for itemization and classification of all entires. Next, adequate space for itemizing all entires and the lines of spacing sufficiently wide for the writing. Next, without crowding. Next, writing without crowding. Next is ample space in each section for all the entires that are likely to be recorded. Adequate instruction for recording and analysis recorded data. And that's our topics are finished here. If you want to take more notes and knowledge on this field, please like and subscribe my channel for motivate me to upload more videos. If you have any doubt or problem on this subject or out of this subject, you can comment on comment box as soon as possible. I will reply. If this video is essential for other friends, then share this video. Never miss to like and subscribe. Your friend Rajesh Shah.